Don't let people believe you can't live without them. Remind them there was time you didn't meet them and you are doing just fine. You have to move on with your life. Other people, they can take it for granted, like you are desperate to be with them. You can't live without that person, especially in relationship. You know that when you are used to be with your partner and now that person can take an advantage, that person you can't live without your partner, you can move on. Guys, before you meet that person before came in your life, you are doing just fine with your life. So you have to act like the way you are doing before you meet that person. Yes, it take time to forget about the person, even the heartbreak in relationship. So sometimes move on. Other people, they can take it that person can't live without me. Guys, a person can, you can move on with your life. A person can move on, guys. Like, act like you never meet that person. So don't take it for granted that maybe you can't live without your partner. What you can move on with your life. And guys, remember, before you meet your partner, you have to act like that and move on with your life. It's difficult to forget about a person, but you can forget. And sometimes you, guys, you even you can't think that maybe that person was in your life. Sometimes move on, because other people can take it for granted, start abusing you because they think you can't live without them. You have to show them that I can live without you.